Hey guys, welcome back to Skills Software. Today I'm going to show you how to create that famous Earth zoom out or in effect in Higgsfield AI. So to begin with, I want you to head over to Higgsfield AI and I want you to sign up if you haven't already. And once you've done that, make sure you are under the Explore page and under Explore in the Visual Effects. So under the visual effects, there is the Earth zoom out effect right here. So let's click on that. And as you can see, these are some of the previews that you can have. So depending on your canvas size, I'm going to go with portrait right here. You can see this is the prompt on the right. Now the prompt is very important. It is what we want to edit, right? So hit recreate. Okay. So let's change everything from here. We're going to remove the previews image right here, right? Okay, I'm going to upload my image, right? This will be an example photo right here. A couple standing on a stone and in the distance there's a waterfall under the bright sun. Okay, so now we want to change our prompt, right? We don't want to use this prompt because in this prompt we can see a young man wearing black, white leg pants, black jacket. This is the previous preview prompt that we have seen, right? So I want you to copy this prompt. Head over to ChatGPT because this is where we're going to edit our prompt. It is easy, fast, and simple. So again, I'm going to upload our photo right here. So with this photo, so you want to paste your prompt here. As you can see, this is the prompt, right? Underneath, I'm going to say this is a Earth zoom out prompt template. I want you to change/edit the prompt to better fit the image reference provided. There you go, right? So hit enter and look at that. ChatGPT has generated it for you. You don't have to manually do it by yourself, right? So now you're gonna copy it. This is the prompt right here. I'm gonna copy it. Now hit back to Higgsfield AI. Now you can remove the prompt and paste your newest prompt right here. A young couple stands together on a rocky cliff, overlooking a tall, cascading waterfall surrounded by lush. Okay, you get the idea. Right, so now for the model, you can choose different model, but we're gonna choose the Higgsfield standard. It is fast and speed. Now for your model, you can either choose Higgsfield Standard or Google VO or Google VO3, which is the best video generator so far. And to use the premium one, you can always upgrade for better image or video generation and much more flexibility in creating AI content. You have monthly and annual. All right? Cool. So we're going to keep it as Higgsfield Standard. Under the setting, if you want to change, you can have it 3 seconds or 5 seconds. And this is the seed. You can create your own random seed if you want to keep your frame consistent. And here you have your steps. Better quality takes more steps and costs more. All right. So I'm just going to keep it as it is. So let's hit generate. All right. So I have the video right here, as you can see. So let's give it a preview, right? You got a couple there and it zooms out. Look at that. How cool is that? So now you can make your very own zoom out or in, depending on your prompt, effect using Higgsfield AI. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to check out our other videos just like this. I'll see you in the next one.